welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: phishing scams. Imagine this. You receive an email from your bank about suspicious activity, urging you to click a link. You panic and click, only to realize you've fallen into a phishing trap. Phishing is a deceptive online scam that aims to steal your personal information, from passwords to credit card numbers. They disguise themselves as trustworthy entities like banks or social media platforms, making it crucial to stay vigilant. Let's talk about the bait, the tactics phishers use to cast their nets. Ever received an email with urgent action required or account suspended? These create panic, making you act without thinking. Be cautious. Phishers create fake websites that mimic legitimate ones. Logos, layouts, everything looks convincing. Always double-check the website's authenticity. Phishing emails may include details about you to seem genuine. Don't be fooled. Verify before sharing any information. Free rewards or exclusive deals can be tempting, but if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Exercise caution. Now the bite: how phishers reel you in. Clicking on these links takes you to fake websites designed to steal your info. Always check the URL before clicking. Opening infected attachments can install malware, giving phishers access to your data. Phishing websites often have forms requesting personal info. Verify the legitimacy before entering any details. Scrutinize sender addresses, typos, and grammatical errors. Hover over links to see the actual URL before clicking. Be wary of suspicious-looking links. Contact companies directly through their official channels, not the info provided in the email. Never open attachments from unknown senders. Download files only from trusted sources. Use strong, unique passwords for each account and enable two-factor authentication when possible. Phishers use info from social media for convincing scams. Be mindful of what you share online. Here are a few more tips to strengthen your defense. Remember, by staying vigilant and informed, you can navigate the online world confidently, protecting yourself from the bite of phishing scams. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Until next time, stay secure.